Hi, welcome back. Welcome to Suman Vlogs. In my last two videos, I shared about a budget hotels at Chennai and Bangalore. So just go and watch in my YouTube channel if you missed. And today is Sunday. I am going to show you a unique and special diet chicken preparation. So let's go and see. We'll go and see how to prepare the diet chicken. Let's see. Come in. Yes. So now we will going to start the preparation of this diet chicken. So with the only three ingredients. One is chicken, chilies and salt. The salt is not normal salt, which is Himalayan rock salt. It's a Himalayan rock salt which is having a high antioxidants. This is a special salt I am using. This is part of my diet. So now let's go into the kitchen and start the preparation. Let's start the preparation. Switch on the stove and take the kadai. The stove is on now and let's take the kadai. So keep the kadai on the stove. Just wait for 2 minutes so that it become hot. So I am again telling, no oil, no oil, no butter, no ghee, no cheese, nothing. It is complete. It's a diet chicken, oil free, without oil. So just see how I am going to prepare. So keep the kadai on the stove. So let it become hot for 2 minutes. So then we have to put the chicken directly into the kadai. No oil, nothing. We have to put the chicken into the kadai. Immediately after it become hot. Yes, the kadai is hot now. So we'll directly put the chicken into the bowl. Just put the chicken. Don't worry, nothing to happen without oil. So we can cook the chicken without oil. So let's see. Let's see. We have added a chicken into the kadai without oil. So not a single drop of oil added in this. So still we can cook the chicken. Don't worry. So there is no oil. Still we are cooking. Just see. So now we will keep it for boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Let me close the kadai. I am just closing the kadai. We'll cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's see. So it is so delicious and it is getting cooked. So we have to wait for another 15 minutes to cook. It is getting cooked and boiled. So let's wait for another 15 minutes to see. You can see the color of the chicken getting changed. It's slowly becoming white and then it will become brown. So this is a sign of chicken is getting cooked and the water is getting evaporated. So we have not added any water. So the vapors are coming automatically from the chicken. So I am again telling, no oil, no water. We have not added anything as of now. Kadai, and we have just put in the chicken inside the kadai and it's getting cooked and boiled. So let's wait for another 15 minutes so that the cooking will complete it. Let's see now. Wow, beautiful, awesome. It is getting cooked. Let's add some salt now. So the salt is different. I am telling again, it is not normal salt. Himalayan rock salt. Pink Himalayan rock salt. The salt you can add as per your requirement. So I am adding the salt as per my requirement. So I just added salt. So it's almost half boiled now, means half cooked. So after 5 minutes we will add green chilies. Okay, let's add now. The chicken is now half boiled, so let's add green chilies now. So again the green chilies also as per the requirement. So if you need a little hot, means little hot spice, so you can add more, otherwise you can add as per your taste. So let's wait for another 10 minutes. So it will get complete in another 10 minutes. So let's see, it's look like delicious, mouth watering. Keep your mouth water inside, so till the time it get cooked. Let's wait for another 10 minutes. Let's see the status now. Keep a watch for every 5 minutes. So now almost we have come to an end of cooking this dried chicken, but keep mixing for every 5 to 10 minutes. Keep a check, keep a watch. So it's almost done. Let's wait for another 5 to 10 minutes so to complete cook. Let's see, it's almost done. So we have come to an end. Yes, the chicken is ready now. It's ready to eat. So it's fully cooked, very hot. Fine. Yes, done. So now the dyed chicken is ready. So I am again repeating, it's complete dyed chicken. So we have prepared this chicken with chicken without oil, chicken, chilies and salt. Chicken, greens, chilies and salt. Only 3 ingredients. So which is a delicious chicken. So it's now ready. It's a time to eat. Thank you. Bye.